Mrs. Coryell's class. We finished 4.5, converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. Can you convert between mixed and improper?
Yes.
What does convert mean?
Change.
Layla, I need you paying attention up here. You're not paying attention up here. All right, a fraction, we said, is part of a whole. Wonderful. But more importantly today, it is a
Division problem.
okay, whole number, mixed number, we're good. Okay, improper fraction. This is a new one. An improper fraction is a fraction that has a
Numerator.
that is bigger than the
Denominator.
Is the numerator bigger than the denominator?
Yes.
Therefore, that's improper, right?
Yes.
Isabel, I need your eyes up here. Your eyes are not up here. We're not organizing our papers right now. Is this a mixed number?
Yes.
Can I change it into an improper fraction?
Yes.
They're the exact same value, right?
Yes.
The process we use is called what?
Around the world.
Around the world works like this. You have your mixed number, which is your world. You draw an arrow from the whole number to the denominator and an arrow from the denominator to the numerator, yes or no?
Yes.
Then we multiply the whole number times the denominator, and we add that number to the numerator. So what is 2 times 2, you guys?
4.
Plus this 1.
5.
That becomes our numerator in the improper fraction. And then why is the denominator 2?
Because the denominator is the denominator.
The denominator stays the same as in the mixed number, right? Good? So what's this process called again?
Around the world.
Now, we should be able to convert from an improper back into a mixed, right?
Yes.
This process is simply uses division. So this is a fraction. It just happens to be an improper fraction, right? So in order to turn an improper fraction into a mixed number, we simply divide the numerator divided by the denominator, right?
Yes.
This fraction bar is technically a what?
Division symbol.
It's a division symbol, right? So we're going to put the 5, the numerator, inside the box. And then we're going to put the denominator as the divisor outside the box, right?
Yes.
We do our math. I know you guys can do division. 5 divided by 2, it turns out to be 2 1/2. Yes, no?
Yes.
How are we feeling?
Good.
When you are when you are changing a improper fraction to a mixed number, what goes inside the box? The numerator or the denominator?
Numerator.
Got to keep those straight in our brains, right?